How to make money with PLR courses. These are courses that you can make out of PLR. It's professional PLR. It's inexpensive mostly. And I'll show you the best place that you can get PLR to create courses to sell this year. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products and make money with PLR. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell for the updates. Get those updates. So the first question is, where do you get really good PLR to create courses from? And this is my favorite place. It's plr.me, plr.me. And when you click on the link in the description, I'll give you my special code to get 10 free credits. I'm logged into my account on plr.me, and I'm going to find a product to make. And these are all the popular categories if you want to see what they really have. This is the whole schmeal. Everything you could ever imagine. I mean, thousands of products. But I'm going to make my life easier. I want either a report or an ebook to make a course out of. Now, remember, you have 10 free credits if you use the link in the description from me. And we're going to find something that won't cost anything. Let's do something interesting. Social anxiety. That's very big. A lot of people have that, especially right now. 10 credits. It's free for you. And how to stay home with the kids and still make money. Not bad. Look, it's free for you because it's 10 credits. Hey, let's use that. So we could download it. Let's take a look at it first. Now, since you have 10 free credits, and I'll show you what that means in a minute, you would just download it, and it's free for you. So you will get all the docs, the pages, PDF, everything that you need. This is what it would look like. How to use it. Not bad. Not bad for free. And you can make a small course out of this. Small course. Maybe sell it for $10, $15. So these are all the plans. You can do it for free, and you get 2 free credits every month. You can go as pay as you go. And let's say something will cost 20 credits. You change that, and it's $44. You pay it, you buy it, and you own it. Not bad. Now, they have a monthly plan. I have an annual plan. And you get 400 credits per year, which is a lot of credits. So if it was me, I would do the monthly plan or pay as you go. Whatever's good for you. So you have the 10 free credits. Just imagine you downloaded the product. This is what you get. Here are the docs. I have a Mac, so I use Pages. It's very pretty. Now, you could leave it in an ebook form, but to make a course and to make more money, put some value into it, turn it into a video course. So how do you do that? Well, there's a couple of ways to do this. First, you can go to Fiverr. Now, you need a voiceover person. And what that means is they could read the book and put it into an audio. Now, when you get one of these products, you really want to repurpose it. You don't want to just leave it in the same exact form that it's already in. So I would go through this, reword it, make it your voice, then send it to one of these people, and it's done. Or you could do it yourself if you have a good enough voice. Or you can use a product like Speechello, and it's one of these products that I use a lot. I did a video about this on my other channel. the review on this exact product. It's a great product. It's not a lot of money. So you could make a video out of this whole thing just by putting words on the screen. So you don't even have to be on the screen. Like right now, I'm not on the screen. It's just my voice. Edit it, and it's done. Next, how do you edit a video? How do you make one? This is one of the best and least expensive editors you can find anywhere. It's called Screencast-O-Matic. Yes, there's a link in the description. It's really inexpensive. It's about $4 a month. Not bad. $4, less than a cup of coffee. You can record your screen. You can record you from a camera. You can edit everything right in this product. $4 a month. You really can't beat it. A lot of professional videographers, a lot of professional YouTubers use Screencast-O-Matic a lot. Why? Because it works. And lastly, one of the greatest way to sell your product is on this product called ThriveCart. I've had this for years, and I sell a lot of products with ThriveCart. You go to plr.me, get your free 10 credits from me, log in, find a subject, pick one, download a free ebook, change it, repurpose it, either find a voiceover artist or use your own voice, or if you don't want to use your own voice, use Speechello. If you need a video editor, Screencast-O-Matic. And a way to sell your product, have the money in your bank, ThriveCart. Everything is done. And that's how everybody does this. It's not hard, it's easy. All the links are in the description. Get started. A lot of people just look at this and they think about it. If you just do these steps, step by step, you can actually make money with PLR. Start with one small course. And once you get your feet wet and you get a little bit of success, get another one, another one, another one. You could have maybe a dozen products, 50 products. You could be making a lot of money every week, every month, this year. I know you can do this. So, step by step. First, click on that link in the description. Get your 10 free credits. Also, get my checklist and everything else that you need. I am Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. We'll talk soon.